In this very short video I will talk about the Brave browser and how you can download it and install it on your machine. So what is the Brave browser? It's a common type of browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, Opera and so on, but with a different idea, with a different mission. So what is the core concept of the Brave browser? Is to pay the users that will use this browser. So how they will do that? You will just look at some advertising while you are navigating on the internet, while you are visiting web pages, and so the more ads you will see, the more you will get paid. So it's very easy and straightforward mechanism. It's like they are sharing some of their profits to their users in order for them to convince the user to browse the web through their browser. So how can we install it? We can go to the Brave browser website, which is brave.com, pretty easy, and just download it. It's a normal software, as you can see it's very fast, and you just open it and install it on your machine, on your computer. So we just go all the way through the wizard. We just say yes a bunch of time, and now we are downloading it. So once it is downloaded, it will automatically install on your operating system. And so once it's installed, we can close this. A window will open, which will be the main. Okay, sorry, because I have already installed it and I'm using Gmail and Google Drive. So you won't see this bar right here, but you will see only the main page, the splash page. This is where you will have kind of a recap of all the statistics concerning your account. And as you can see here, you can turn on Brave ads. So you can start earning while visiting the web, the various pages on the web. You can go on learn more about these rewards. So essentially, as you can see, you can contribute yourself to the websites that you like the most. So you can turn on this contribute, and you can choose how much to pay, or else you can choose not to contribute and just getting paid for the ads. So as you can read here, all the explanations are right here, so you can make some researches for yourself. So not in every country in the world this mechanism is already functional. So sometimes if you are in a specific country, you will just have to wait for the future for the Brave rewards to get started. Besides the rewards, the Brave browser, it's pretty fast, and also it's very active in blocking other type of advertisements. So it's a very nice browser to use, and so I suggest you give it a try. So for this video it's all. Thanks for watching and see you later.